Hi, I am Musi, and I am a member of the Lyft community. I wonder if you ever think about being in the top and secure a good allocation from a new token. So, I present to you Lyft AI Machines, the perfect way for passive income and airdrop allocation. So, how does it work? I will show you the path to follow and explain the different features of the AI machines. I am here with you, so don't be confused. The first thing is to navigate to the address machines.liftdata.ai, then connect your wallet. I recommend to use MetaMask. Now you succeeded the first step, and you access the AI Machines dashboard that will give you the possibility to mine dGOLD, the tradable token for Lyft. So many questions in your head. Don't stress, because I am here to explain to you. The second thing to do is to stake 0.005 Ethereum to have one AI machine. You can stake as much as you want, just make sure that you have enough Ethereum under base network for the AI machine, plus the transaction fee. Note that if you have a license node that you already minted, you get 25 AI machines without staking any Ethereum. After several hours, you will see a number of machines appearing on the dashboard, and you will begin earning dGOLD right away. Your Ethereum will be staked, but note that you can unstake it anytime you want. And by unstaking it, you will lose your AI machines, but you will keep what you mine. So, you have your total control on your tokens. Your AI machines will be running day and night, and you don't need any hardware requirement or to keep your browser running to keep getting rewarded. So it's a total passive income. You can also boost your earning by activating boosters for 3 hours in your inventory or by deploying a strategy using an Entropic Cards. Your strategy reset after each epoch that lasts 12 hours. Note that these cards can be burned for instant dGOLD earning. If you are lucky to have a shiny card, burn it, because that will give you a good amount of dGOLD instantly. You can also refer others and earn cards and boosters. With time passing, your unclaimed rewards increase, and you have to claim your rewards manually. Make sure you have enough Ethereum on base network for the transaction fee. When the dGOLD reaches your wallet, you are free to do what you want with it, but note that your proof of trust score decreases with time. This score will help you get Lyft token airdrop. So, to get as much as you can, keep your score high by pledging the dGOLD that you get from the machine. Note that the average is 2.5, so if your score is above, you are good. But if you aim for an exceptional 5-star score, buy 3 times what you get from the AI machines. With this path, you are securing one of the top ranks for the Lyft off. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you soon.